Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time, as you can see, with an Orient. I've been lately trying to cover the under 200 euros segment by buying and returning watches from Amazon with this Amazon try before you buy, which you get the watch for 1 week and then you can send it back without paying anything. And it's been quite a nice journey because I've been testing now over 100 watches from them, which is quite good. So I can give you at least my opinion, or at least an indication of what the watch would look like. So this Orient is actually, I got it because I really liked how it looked. And then afterwards I saw that it's a Quartz watch. So the reference number is RA-SP0004L10B. And I think Orient has here a very nice formula that they should actually continue on and maybe make a mechanical watch out of this watch. So here we go. And here we can see this watch. So it looks really nice. In person, looks pretty cool. It has a bit of a Orion, Nomos Orion look. What with the date, you have a very clean design, thin watch, 5-bar water resistance, so you can watch your hands. Movement Japan, Epson as usual. The Epson Corporation, which owns Orient. And let's see how big is the watch. So thickness is 38.9, so I think 39 millimeters is diameter, 45.5 thickness lug to lug, and thickness 9.5 millimeters. And on my wrist I have a 16.69 centimeter wrist. No, sorry, 6.69 inches, 17.1 centimeter. I need my coffee at least now. So as you can see, it looks quite nice on my wrist. And I think if this watch was mechanical, I would have kept it, to be honest, because it has such a nice design and such a classical look, and it's very clean. The watch looks very, like the polishing on the bezel, you have chamfers around what looks like a sapphire glass. You have the Orient emblem on the crown. You have very nice lugs. I think that's a 20 millimeters strap. On the 39 it looks pretty nice. And that's why I was wearing the Nomos, to show you that if you really want a Nomos on a budget, you can have something like that instead of getting a fake. I'm not saying fake, but a seagull that looks like a Nomos. There are several of those. If you want a mechanical one, I think that's acceptable. But if you don't mind having a quartz watch, this one is definitely worth your money. And you have even the strap is also very nice. It's very supple. It has Orient branding on it. Orient branding on the buckle. You have here, like I said, the reference number. Trying to get you the best lighting possible. So please comment if you think adding some kind of lighting, doing it at night, doing it with another camera would help. Of course, all suggestions are welcome. If you have any comments about this watch or any other watch that you think Orient should remake in another, like if they did this one in a solar, wow, that would be very nice. I would actually buy that directly, because the hands look pretty good. The hands move quickly, so you can see very, very legible. The date window is big enough. The seconds are centered perfectly. No text, only what is needed. Movement Japan, the reference number, Orient on the 12 o'clock. Definitely one of these watches that you think, wow, if this was mechanical, I wouldn't have been able to send it back, as 150 euros for a mechanical dress watch that looks like this with this quality. So the quality is there. You can see the machining, the polishing on the sides of the case, of the bezel, mirror polish. And you have here brushed finish on the back side, which gives it a very nice contrast. And on the blue, so the blue of the dial with the blue of the strap, looks quite elegant as well. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. If you have a question about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone.